How are you all? Hope you are doing well at your home. So guys, in our last video, we did the topic preamble, and in which I gave you the introduction and I told you that we are having 10 different terms which is in our preamble, and I explained you the meaning of 5 that terms over there. Today we are going to proceed further. That means we are going to read about the next 5 terms in detail. Clear? Let us have a look over here. Okay guys, so first have a look here. In my last video I told you about the meaning of preamble. The meaning of preamble means the introduction of our constitution, in which our constituent assembly, or you can say that the builders of the constitution, define some of their objectives so that they can able to build a single nation without any discrimination, and in which we read about the basic 5 terms. The first is the people, means we the people are the source. Sovereign, no external involvement. Socialist, the work should be done for the welfare of a people. Secular means we must have a freedom to choose any of the religion. Democratic, which shows that leaders are going to be elected by the votes only. Clear? And the socialist and secular is added in our constitution in 1976 after amendment. Amendment means after a change in the constitution. Now we are going to read about the 5 more terms over here. Here are the 5 terms. The first is republic. Republic means that a head or a representative which we are going to elect is headed by, means is going to take position only by the elections, not by hereditary. Now what is hereditary? Here is a cycle: grandfather, father, son. Clear? So this is a hereditary position, like in the monarchy system when we are having when we had a king rules over there. Clear? So what used to happen? Grandfather, then grandfather position is going to be acquired by the elder son, that means by the father, and then father's position is going to be acquired by the son. Clear? But such kind of condition is not going to be followed in our democratic India. Here we are going to choose the republic method, means the state is going to be the state head, that means the representatives is going to be elected by the elections only. Next we are having justice. Justice means fair, that we must not have any kind of biasness, partialities. कोई भी partialities नहीं होनी चाहिए, either on the basis of caste, gender, religion. इस basis पे दूर दूर तक कोई भी partiality हमारे पास नहीं होनी चाहिए. Clear? If any of the law is framed by the government, so it must be without any biasness, not on the basis of girls, boys, not on the basis of any caste and all these things. That's why we are having the reservations. Clear? So now होगा इसका कोटा इतना है, इसका कोटा इतना है. So this reservation means the government give the particular percentage. ठीक है, suppose 25% is for the SCs, 30% is for this particular caste, so that every person can able to get the proper opportunities, like in political system. Clear? If we talk about in the parliament, 1/3 position is saved for the women, which shows that 1/3 seats are reserved by women only, not by any other person. Clear? The next is our liberty. Liberty means freedom. Now liberty, equality, fraternity, both seems like the same terms, but they are having a different meanings. Liberty means freedom. Freedom means freedom of speech, freedom of expression, that means I can able to express my views. Freedom to believe, मैं किसी भी belief, किसी भी God में, किसी भी culture में believe कर सकती हूँ. Freedom to follow any of the religion. Clear? So this is the liberty. Without any valid reason, government cannot able to impose any restrictions on us. As nowadays you guys are having restrictions, we guys are having restrictions that we cannot able to go out of our houses without any important work. Clear? So why? So this is an important work, although this is our freedom that we can move anywhere, but now according to the situations, somehow the government put restrictions on us. Clear? The next one is equality. Equality means equal treatment. We must have equal treatment. There should be no biasness कि girls and boys, if they both are at a same stage, working at a same level, तो boy को salary ज़्यादा मिल रही है, girl को कम मिल रही है. No, both should get the equal salary. The next is fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood. Brotherhood means वी आर हैविंग अ वन कॉमन स्टेटमेंट, नो, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में है भाई भाई. सो बेसिकली आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रमोट this brotherhood and the dignity of individual. Dignity means irrespect of an individual, although we are working in a group. Clear? So everybody, that means single personality is having its own respect and own dignity. Clear? So these are the five more terms. Let us have a look from a book regarding this. Now guys, democratic we read in our last video. Now come on the republic. Republic means that the state is headed by the elected representative. That means if in any state we are having any of the leaders, so it is headed by the elected representatives. मतलब जिसे हम elections में लेकर आएंगे आगे, but not by the hereditary like king's son. In this way we are not having such kind of republic system. The next is we are having is justice. Justice means to be fair. Fair means impartial. कोई partiality नहीं होनी चाहिए. Clear? So if we talk about the justice, so it means justice of a law. That means if any of the law is going to be applied, suppose Supreme Court ने कोई law बनाया है, so that particular law is applied to all over India, not to any particular caste or any particular religion. It should be unbiased and without making any special अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स रिलीजन, कास्ट, सेक्स एंड द सोशल स्टेटस. ऐसा नहीं कि अमीर के लिए कुछ और स्टेटस है, अमीर के लिए कुछ और लॉ है तो गरीब के लिए कुछ और लॉ है. नो. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द जस्टिस, सो वी आर हैविंग टू अदर काइंड्स ऑफ जस्टिस ओवर हियर. इट्स सोशल जस्टिस एंड इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस, विच शोज दैट here the word is mentioned, reduce the inequalities in wealth. That means we must not have any kind of inequality. I mean, suppose we are having two persons, a person A belongs from one caste, a B person belongs from the other caste. It should not be like this कि person A is getting high salary and the B is getting low salary. If both are working at the same level, so the inequalities of wealth means पैसा, so the distribution of income should be same, should be equal. The next we are having is reservations. For this, to remove all these problems, government and the Constitution of India make some of the reservation in the field of education institutions, in the field of jobs, and for in other areas. As over here in the mention, it is mentioned that the government make a decision in 2006 that 27% of seats should be reserved for OBCs. Clear? It is some kind of laws time to time government used to make. Now the next we are having is liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty means that liberty means freedom, equality means fundamental rights over here, and equalities are one of the fundamental right over here. Clear? That means equal treatment to everyone. Fraternity means the brotherhood. Clear? So these are three considered as the main different objectives of our constitution over here. Clear? Hopefully now the meaning of preamble is clear to you. Now let us have a look on our preamble so that we can able to understand what are the meaning of these different terms in our preamble. So guys, let us have a look on the preamble. It is mentioned that we the people of India. We the people means we are the ultimate source. Why so source? Because without the people of India, this preamble is nothing. Because if we are not going to follow all the things mentioned in our preamble, then it has no meaning. Clear? That's why we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute, means we the people of India making a commitment, making a promise that we make India into a, अब हम इंडिया को कैसे बनाएंगे? Sovereign, that there is not going, we are not going to have any external involvement in our country. Socialist means the work for the welfare of the people. Secular means we must have the work freedom to follow any of the religion. And democratic republic means if an election is going to take place in our country, then it should not be on the basis of hereditary position. Clear? So India into a, we will make the India like sovereign, socialist, secular and a democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens. Now how we are going to make, how we are going to secure our citizens on the basis of these four objectives. These are the four objectives. Clear? So justice means we must be impartial. किस किस फील्ड में impartial होना है? सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल फील्ड. लिबर्टी, फ्रीडम कहाँ कहाँ मिलनी चाहिए? फ्रीडम ऑफ थॉट्स, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस, फ्रीडम ऑफ बिलीफ, फेथ एंड वर्शिप. इक्वालिटी, इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट, इक्वालिटी इन स्टेटस, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड वी नीड टू प्रमोट इक्वालिटी. ऐसा नहीं है एक बार मिल गई तो बस अब हम औरों के साथ जो है पार्शियलिटी करें. नो, वी नीड टू प्रमोट द इक्वालिटी. क्लियर? The next is fraternity. Fraternity means we must assure the dignity. Dignity means respect of an individual person, as well as so that we can able to bring unity and integration. Integration means never ending kind of a bond over there. Clear? So we must have a unity and a good bond in our nation. That's why this 26th November 1949, clear, on this 26th November 1949, the Constitution of our India is declared, and the people of India make a commitment that we are going to adopt all these things and we are going to secure the people of our India. Clear? So this is all about our preamble. Hopefully now you guys are not having any kind of doubt. We the people of India means we are the ultimate source. These are the characteristics: justice, liberty, equality and the fraternity. And 26th November 1949 is the date on which the Constitution of our India was framed. Clear? And hopefully now by this you guys can able to learn the meaning as well as what is the exact preamble of our India. Clear? Just go through with the topic. If any doubt you can ask to me, and till then take care, stay home, stay safe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video.